Another pro tip here for you is the night before or the morning of your install, just take a few minutes and take all of your cable fittings like this and just unthread the actual stud from the pieces of hardware, and you'll thank me later. This will save you a lot of time when you're actually getting ready to do the install. So now we're actually ready to start running cable. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a bundle of cable that came in your kit, and we're gonna cut the zip ties off, and we're gonna start getting ready to actually put the fittings on. So from here, we're gonna take the cable and we're gonna grab one of our end fittings. We're gonna slide it on to the end of the cable as such and get ready for the crimp. So you'll notice there's a bunch of markings on the head here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the fitting into the 1/16 or the very bottom smallest hole. So now that the fitting is inserted into the hand swaging tool, what we do is we wanna make the crimp about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch from the end of the fitting. The first couple are pretty tough. It'll loosen up as you go though. Now that we've got the crimp done, we're ready to start running cable. When we're thinking about doing the cable installation, you really want to think about it like it's an assembly line. Do as many of the same tasks as much as you can before you move on to the next one. For this instance, we would run all of these cables like this. We'd get them cut at the right length, and then we'd come back and do the final fitting installation. So when we go to make our final cut on the cable, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the cable nice and tight, and then we're gonna measure to the inside of the post about 1/8 of an inch, and we're gonna cut it right there. And for stairs, you're gonna wanna add 3/4 to 1 inch on your cable.